Hi, this is Tech Pro with another unboxing video. Here I got my Tab S6 new, the latest version tablet from Samsung, and right now it's 128 gigabyte with internal storage. It's a LTE version, and also it's included with Samsung DeX, and also with fast charger. And here we go, we will unbox it, this bad boy. And here is my cutter, and we will unbox it, and I will put it into the side. And also here we go. And now tablet is into the front mode. I will put it to the side, and I will put it to the side, and now we will talk about this one. And now we have a beautiful pen. It's a Samsung pen, and also it's included with our packet, and also it's a charger. I don't know, it's fast charger, I think so. Yes, it's fast charger. It's with type A, USB type A, and I will put it to the side, and I will put this bad boy also to the side, and we will see what's also included in this packet. And now we will, it's a SIM card ejector tool, and I have my SIM card here. I will put it later, and now I will see it, what has it included. It's terms and conditions, user guides, and we will put it to the side. And here is some tips for S Pen. Yes, some tips for S Pen. Yeah, yes. And if you want to use another color, and yes, it's with white and black, and if you want you can change it. Yes, and we'll put it's the charger cable, USB cable, type USB type C to USB type A, and I like it USB type C, and it will be better if the another port will be type C, but it's okay, type C, and I can use it on my MacBook Pro also. Yes, and we will put it to the side, and then I will open this bad boy. Here we go. Oh, come. Yes, here we go. And now it's the where is it? Yeah, it's here. And here we go. It's a double camera. It's and also SIM ejector, SIM tray, and also power button, and with two speakers here, and also two speakers at the above of something, and here is a rear facing camera, and an S Pen will be here. Yeah, it's magnetic. Wow, it's perfect. I like it. Here we will start this bad boy. And now Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, and yeah, that's it. And I will set up this bad boy, and yeah, we will see it. And now it has a special button here, and please don't forget subscribe my channel, start it on right. And now, yeah, English United Kingdom, yeah, I think it's good. Yes, I will linking, I will take it out, marketing information, next. Yes, it's worked perfectly. I will skip it for now. I don't want to backup or store from my older devices, and it's working perfectly. I will skip it this also. And here, or I'll accept this one. Yeah, it's I will put my fingerprint. It's then the new version of Samsung tablet. It support the fingerprint. I will put it pin and then yes, yes, I will put it my fingerprint. It's the fingerprint is on screen. Yes, it's very cool, soft, and it works perfectly. I like it. A tablet with a fingerprint. Yes, it's completing 75%, 80%, and I will continue it, and then 88%, 92, 96, and here we go. I will skip it for now, and I will log into my account, Samsung account later. Finish. And now it's done. And now the most important thing is for me the wallpapers. What has the new wallpapers? Yes, it's the new wallpapers from Samsung Android 9. Yeah, perfect. And thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, and it's it. Thank you very much.